guys, this is Sam from WittStack. I'm going to show you how to create animation like this. This is actually called a whiteboard animation. So let's get started. Alright, so one thing we actually need is just two websites. So by the way, it's every single website. So it's actually covering that for us. So just let's visit Render Forex. Render Forex. Just type in Render Forex on any of your browser or favorite browser. Render Forest. Okay, this is spelling. So you see www.renderforest.com. This is the website you're going to visit. So you click on it. So this is the home page. These are the home page actually look like. So alright, so go to the main section. So you see different options here saying, do you want to make logo? You can actually make logo, you can make videos, you can edit your mock-up, you can create a mock-up, you can build websites with certain certain price. We have the pricing, we have the explore, and we have the frequently asked questions. Alright, so what we'll be actually be doing here is just to create a video. So just click on your create video. So now create videos, we have different category. So we have the 3D experience video. Do you want to animate your presentation using cartoon animation? So you can use the 3D experience video. Do you want to create a clean style logo? Why this for experience video? Because video toolkit. We have the multicolor blast logo. Or do you want to add some animation to your logo using different colors? This is the whiteboard animation. This is what we'll be using. So we have the solid logo reveal. We have the glister logo reveal. So you can make any of these, make use of any of these options. We have the mobile app kit as well, in case you want to present the mobile app that you're actually working on. So we have the blessing kit logo. We have the motion time spark. We have the elegant. So we have different options. You can actually explore the options. So, but for today, we're talking about making use of our whiteboard animation. So let's click on this option. So we're clicking on whiteboard animation option. So this will be the next page that's gonna bring out. So just let's click on this and see and preview how it's gonna look like.
So you want to try whiteboard animation but don't know where to start? Render Forest presents Whiteboard Animation Toolkit. Say goodbye to dull content and inspire your audience with broadcast quality animated videos using the Whiteboard Animation Toolkit. Hundreds of animated scenes, casual and corporate characters, backgrounds, icons, logo animations, typography, and more are included to make your video creation process easy and fast as never before. Create explainer whiteboard animations and promotional videos and walk hand in hand with success. Browse through our large catalog of scenes from various categories. Customize each scene, choose styling, colors, music, and preview your video in minutes. Use whiteboard animations for your explainer videos, educational projects, presentations, and more. Feel this hypnotizing experience of the art being revealed as it is created. Bring variety and interest to your videos. Available exclusively on renderforest.com.
Alright, that's just introduction to Render Forest. Let's just say about. So you can actually do different things. You can change your music using the whiteboard animation. Alright, so after we preview that, you can actually click on this create now. So just click on create now. So I want to create a whiteboard animation for ourselves. So there are a lot you can actually do with Render Forest. Alright, so we have different options here again. Let's say create new video. So we have the add scene, we have the load the presets, type your script. So this load the presets actually they are already made but animation that you can actually make effect too. So but when we're using this, we are creating from scratch. So to create from scratch, just click on your add scene, and also to add your script or your words that you wish to present. So you click on the type your script, but we start from add scene. So click on add scene. You get still loading. Alright, this is one of the preset of the whiteboard animation. So we have different options. We have the happy man, we have the waving man, we have the sad man, we have the man with icon in hands, we have the happy man with money back in hands, man with the speakers, we have the man in microphones. We have different options actually. So all these are for free, or just that at the end of the your video presentation or at the end of your effects, the watermark will be actually be added to your videos. So all these are actually for free. You can make use of them for free. So for example, let's just choose an option. Let's choose a man with icon in hands. So let's click on this. So you can see two buttons actually to text pop up at the bottom of the screen. So we have the delete the select scene. So we click on the select scene, it's not be highlighted anymore. So or insert. So we want to insert this. So we just click on your insert. So again, we have different category here. So this your PNG is actually you can actually add image to this. So when we actually getting okay, or we actually try to add an image. So we have the add text and we have type in your text. So let's say I want to add a text. Okay, actually I prepared the text I'm going to actually add to this. Okay, actually I prepared a text I'm going to add to this video. So this broad exposure to commodities. This is just an abstract text. So all you just need is just to highlight this. So copy this and go back to your preset views, and it's either you actually paste your text here. So once you're actually done, so let's say I want to edit the image as well, that's okay. So as you can see, it can only contain 148 characters, but I'm having a text of 79 characters. So again, you move down to your image section. So as you can see changes has been saved. So you have broad exposure. So you can actually edit your text here, or just click on this place to edit your text. So I prefer to use this actually. So for the images, so let's see what we can actually do. Okay, let's try and add my images. Let's see the image we can actually use. The pattern is still loading. Alright, so let's for example use this ring image. So done. Once you're done, just click on done. It's still processing actually. Alright, see these are image. So I'm gonna crop this a little bit. I think it's actually fine by this. So just choosing this option. So fit fill. You can actually use your fill, but let's use our fit. You can scale it up again. You can rotate it. You can actually add filters to it. So once you're done, you're okay with your image, just click on done. So where this image actually pop up or show up is where the man is actually holding the PNG the other side. So once the image as saved successfully, so you see that image actually this man is actually indicating that he's holding a kind of a wink image, trying to show the audience about the wink. It is actually good for marketing purposes. Alright, so once you're done once you're done with that, you can actually change the position of your text. You can actually what's it called, position to be right or left. So you have text to the right, text to the left. So let's check text to the left. So we click on text to the left. Actually this text will move towards the side, and this man holding this ring will actually move towards the right. So why the text you move towards the so you get something like this actually, but that's already make the effect has been the change has been made. Alright, so let's preview what we actually done. So you can actually add music to it. To add music, just click on this music icon. So we have different music that you can actually use your voice over. So that means you can record your voice at the background using your voice over, but I'm not doing that. So you can make use of your music from your folder, your phone folder. You can have folder here, you can add your voiceover here, or you come here and click your voiceover. So it's actually add music. So okay, to actually add music. Okay, before I go, let's talk about this. So is your project title. So currently the duration of our project is actually 12 seconds rather. So the same duration, as you can see, same duration is 12 seconds. You can actually increase the time span of a single scene. So while you click on this edit option, so you can actually increase it. The minimum is 8 seconds. You can actually increase it or reduce it back to probably like 8 seconds. So the title of your animation, you can change your title from here. So I'm saving mine as whiteboard animation toolkit. So while the video duration is exactly 12 minutes, which is showing our same duration. Alright, that's all for that. So one thing we actually need to do is just to add our music. So to add our music, just click on this add music. So we have the recommended music from Winner Forest. So you can actually download any of the music. So let's see, for example, I want to choose. Let's let's see if we can actually get a 12 second. So we can actually not see. Let's pick a road song. Okay, let's choose a home melody. Let's try and preview it. So let's wait for it to finish loading. I think this is okay. So I'm gonna pause it. We're making of this one melody, we're adding this music. So just click on this plus icon. So as you can see, we've added it to our video. So all you come back here and go to the uploaded music section. So as you can see, said you have no uploaded music yet. You just click on this your upload. So to take you back to your folder where you actually save your music, so you can actually explore this. So I'm not using music from my folder. So I'm making use of the pre-made music made by Render Forex. So that's how you can actually upload music via your phone. So okay, so you're gonna once you're done, so just click on this back icon. So we make it so you can actually preview it again. So we're making of the old melody song. So that's how to add song. So as you can see, this is where we added our the project music that the own melody has actually added to our project music. So you can actually add more music. So you can click on this add music to add other music again. So we have different layers of music. So let's move to this next option. So this next option is actually a place where you can actually generate a color. You can change the color of your animation. So this one is the primary one is actually blue. So that's the main color. So you can change it back to probably something like, although I love green. So just click on confirm. So I'm making it of confirm. So our animation also going to be changed to the color of green. So that's so you can actually generate as well. You can actually generate your color. So it's still previewing colors. So let's wait. It's kind of slow. Let's close that. That's actually you can actually explore this option as well. So I'm changing it to color of green. So once I'm done with that, so it's just this third option at the top. So for this one that looks like a layer, so choose the overall look and feel of your animation. Do you want it to be a board drawn or a core paper? So you want it to be actually be what's it called, being like a in like a written format, or you want it to be like a cutout paper that you can actually draw. So you can actually use this option as well that you can actually draw. So let's say I want to use, okay, let's use board draw. I think it's actually preferable like that. So this is the option I'm choosing. So the first option, so is where our preset is actually. So once you actually done, so just click on this play button. The ones that actually look like a play button. So click on this. So once you're done, so this is where you have to preview all your work. So we have different options here again. So we have, so in case you want to use your watermark, or that means like your logo, you want to add your logo to your preset, your scene. So then just click on this option, and you're gonna take it to your agency to subscribe. And you have to subscribe to render forex with certain amount. So but we'll be previewing this by free. So please check our subscription plan if you have to save your AD export. So have a low quality, you can actually preview it using low quality and not with HD or high quality. If you want to preview that quality, you have to pay. So let's see, for example, let's explore the options. Let's see the amount as at this time. You pay to actually get such a video or more. Okay, so download your video in high quality. So for single export, no watermark on video, AD10. So it's $39.99, $40. So that's about in today's naira, that's about 20,000 naira. So options you may be interested in as well. So we have for single sports, no watermark on video, AD. Alright. So for single sport, no response. So the age of this one is 722 in quality, while this one is 1000. Is the highest quality actually, 1080 quality. And we have the next one, which is no watermark but 360p. It's just normal. So they have actually a coupon code as well, so you can actually get it in case you're interested. You just click on this get, it's going to save. So as you're checking out, just apply the coupon code. So it's going to reduce by 15%. Alright, thank you very much. So we will be using this. So we'll be making use of the free options. So we're making use of the free options. Alright, so download, okay, using low quality, just click on your free preview. So as you can see, it's turning out required animation to click. So your video will be very soon. You can simply use the page anytime. This project will be available download in my project page. So now your profile page, the downloaded what's it called scene will be saved in my project page. So upon finishing, how do you want it to be notified? Is it through browser notification or email? So I'm going to check email. If you actually register for the first time, you want to make use of the thing, you have to register with Joiner Forex to download this thing. So I'm registered with them already, so I'm clicking, so they will notify me via my email. So by checking these options, so if I click the browser notification options, there's going to be a pop-up or push notification from Joiner Forex. As you can see, our project is actually ready, so we can actually preview it. So let's just answer rather than previewing it, we just download. So I told you earlier that since I actually made effect to the position of the text has actually been switched back to the left, while the image of the boy standing with the picture has been changed to the right of the scene. Okay, so you can actually switch your you can switch your HD, the quality of your animation from here as well. So if you choose any of these options apart from the free option, so you have to actually pay to be able to download it. So since we're not paying, I'll just reviewing it. As you can see at the bottom of the scene, towards adjacent of the scene rather, towards right, it's saying created by Brenda Forest. Alright, so in case you want to change it to your own watermark or to your own logo, That means you have to actually pay and to be able to download or preview in the highest quality form. So you have to pay, you have to subscribe to Winner Forex. Alright, so once you just click on this download icon, once that look like arrow pointing down, so just click on that. So they're going to send it to my, okay, so that's already been set to my email as well. So I'm going to rename this as animation. So just click on, so it's going to save into my download folder in my phone, or you can actually change the option here as well. So where you want your stuff to be actually below, be downloaded, you want it under SD card or download. So let's just leave that as download as well. So just click on download. Since the stuff is actually not much, this file size is not much, so as you can see it has been downloaded. Just click on open. So we have our 12 seconds animation using render first. Thank you guys for watching, and please do not subscribe to WittStack to enjoy more of this tutorial. Bye. And kindly do wait to subscribe to our page by clicking the subscription button below the screen, and also by turning on the post notification bell to enjoy more of these tutorials. Thank you very much. Bye.